How to perform an appliance check using the Presto-Link app. First, find your customer in the database. For this demo, we will select NC Tech. Once you have confirmed that this is indeed the customer account, you will tap on Propane Tanks. In this screen, you will find all of the data that has been entered regarding this customer's propane tanks, location, size, even a photo of the tank. Select the tank by tapping Perform Service. From this screen, you will select the action that you wish to take. In this demo, we are showing the appliance check, so that's what we'll choose. In this screen, if we had entered the appliance data previously, it would appear here. Since we haven't, let's do that now. We will tap on Register New Asset. Let's tap on Enter Manually. So let's assume that we need to set up a water heater, so we will change the value from the default to water heater. Then enter the serial number. In the event that your customer has multiple water heaters, it's good to identify any details that will help identify this water heater from any others, such as entering the location of the appliance. Continue to enter as much data on the appliance as you can find. When you have the data entered, then it's time to take a picture of the appliance. Tap Add Picture and use the tablet's camera to take a picture of the water heater like this. Finally, click Register and the appliance will be added to the list of devices on site. Let's continue to add new devices. This time, we will add the furnace. Again, if a site has multiple furnaces, it's good to enter enough data in the Asset Reference Name field to be able to distinguish this furnace from others on site. Again, once all of the data has been entered, we will tap on Add Picture. When we register this device, you will see it added to the Asset Summary. Let's speed up the process and register an oven now. The same process applies here. Remember to enter enough data so that the next person who comes along to do an appliance check can distinguish which appliance he's looking at. Next, we'll add a space heater. Remember to enter as much data as you have access to. Finally, let's add a tankless water heater to our assets. We've entered all of our assets, so now it's time for an appliance check. Select all of the assets on which you wish to perform the check, and then tap the Perform Service button. The app will begin with the first asset, and you will first indicate if the appliance has a manual shutoff installed and if there is a sediment trap. Then select the other checks you have performed, namely burner condition, combustion air, and overall appliance condition. If the appliance is in a non-safe condition and you red tag it, then indicate that here. Then scroll down to find the additional appliances and enter that data as well. Once all of the data has been entered for all of the selected assets, then tap on the Continue button. On this screen, you're going to sum up your visit. Did you explain to the customer any safety issue that you found, and did you supply your customer with any printed material regarding their issues? Are the appliances suitable for continued service, or did you have to red tag anything? Is the gas piping adequate for continued use? If you performed any service on the assets, what did you do? Are there recommended actions that the customer should take now? If so, enter those in this field. Clicking the Acknowledge button will take you to a summary screen to show your customer. Scroll through all of the assets that you checked with the customer, calling their attention to any items that need to be addressed, and answer any questions that they may have. Once you click the Continue button, your customer will have a series of questions to answer themselves. It's important that your customer really reads each question thoroughly before answering them. When all questions have been answered, they should click the Acknowledge button, and then they will sign the tablet to indicate their acceptance of the appliance check data. The final screen will show the history of the customer and the previous services that have been performed, along with this one.